So if you've previously connected your Logitech MX Master 4 to your Windows PC or laptop, and now you're curious as to how you're going to connect it to the Logi Options Plus app, this is what you need to do. Just go ahead and launch your favorite browser on your computer, and then just search for Logi Options Plus. Once you've searched for it, simply scroll down until you find Logi Options Plus Customization App for Logitech Devices and select it. And then this will open up the website. So scroll down and select Download for Windows 10 or later, and simply wait for the app installer to be added to your computer. So as you can see here, I already have it added to my PC or to my laptop. So if it's your first time, just select Save, and then once it's been successfully downloaded, you want to open up the file. So go to wherever it is that you had saved that specific file on your computer. And once you found it, just double click on it to start launching it. So once it's been launched, it will ask you to make changes to your device. Just confirm that choice, and then just wait for it to continue installing. So once it's successfully installed, you'll then be told, welcome to Logi Options Plus, install Options Plus. So just click on Install Options Plus and wait for it to download and install the necessary files that are needed. And then it will close and relaunch again, having successfully installed the Logi Options Plus on your Windows PC or laptop. So just wait patiently for it to relaunch. And you'll even see that the app icon will be added to the home screen of your computer. So just wait patiently. And then you'll see, or you'll get your first look at the Logi Options Plus app. So just go through the process of setting it up. It's just really short. You just need to agree to allow Logi Options to send diagnostics. You can choose to allow or not. You can choose to log into your Logi Options Plus account if you do have one, or you can just choose to skip and do that later. And because you've previously connected your mouse, it will automatically be detected, and you can now start being able to customize it. And you'll even be given a small intro tutorial on your mouse and how it works and other customizations that you can make to it. So that is how you can connect your Logitech MX Master 4 to the Logi Options Plus on your computer. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.